3D printers, a way of making your imagination a reality. 3D printers are not new. The technology used by most 3D printers was developed in 1988 by S. Scott Crump. Since then, the technology has evolved in ways that has made them affordable. Currently, this technology is being used by space researchers, schools, artists, defense forces, healthcare, etc. 3D printers has given power to the industry for rapid prototyping and development. Before we move further, we need to first understand what is prototyping. In simple words, this is a process where the first piece of designed product is created to understand how will it look, feel and work in real life. However, this process is not easy as it seems because it is being created for the first time and a lot of work goes into assembling parts, finding right material, etc. In earlier years, crafters used to carve out designs of the product structure out of a wooden or metal block or even use clay. It took longer to build. This process is being transformed by the possibilities offered by 3D printing technology. Depending upon the complexity of the design and other factors, a prototype can be built in days' time. The process of making things is safe for even school usage. Students can make themselves familiar with manufacturing using this tool. But how does a 3D printer work? The printer creates objects on one layer at a time by extruding melted plastic via a thin nozzle. In 2D printers, the ink is applied on a paper via inkjet that moves side to side and paper moves outwards. However, in the 3D printing, the head moves side to side and front to back. And with each layer a plastic completes, the head is moved vertically, thus adding height to the object layer by layer. This process is also called as additive manufacturing. In simple words, when a shape is built by scraping layers from a block of metal, wood or any material, we are in a way reducing the material layer by layer. However, in 3D printer, we are adding layer over layer and thus the term additive manufacturing. 3D printers use plastics that melt when heated and turn solid when they are cooled down. The very same plastic is also used in Lego blocks, refrigerators and in plastic computer parts. The plastic used in 3D printer comes in shapes similar to an electrical wire, and this plastic wire goes into the nozzle of the printer, which heats the plastic to melt it, and small amount of plastic is protruded by the nozzle on the desired location. Suppose a printer has just started to print a cylindrical object. In the first iteration, the plastic will be dropped by the nozzle in a way that it forms a circle of specified radius. But to make this circle a cylinder, the nozzle will drop another layer of plastic on top of the previously built circle. What are the disadvantages and advantages of 3D printer? 3D printers are easy to operate and a variety of 3D printers are available in the market. This gives choice to people to choose an option of their liking and budget. However, as we go down in price, the quality of the output of the printer also reduces. Due to the small size of the printer, it is easy to keep them inside. Furthermore, they are safe for even schools kids to try their hands on. For countries like India, where schools do not have money willingness to spend a lot on advanced infrastructure, incorporating such technologies is difficult. What are the applications of 3D printer? Although there are multiple applications in the field of healthcare, aerospace, defense and many others, but we will focus more on the use of this technology in schools. Students are fast to catch new concepts and learn new things. Also, they have a very innovative way of looking at things. However, they do not get a chance to structure their thoughts and see their creation come to life. 3D printers can give these children a chance to start learning by creating. Currently, in countries like India, in technology education, majority of the focus is on computer coding. However, such a narrow scope of technology leaves a lot of students who do not find this field interesting with no choice. To remove such a limitation from education, technologies like 3D printers can help bring these students interested in technology again. EduBoard launched a competition in which we asked students a question: if given a chance to operate a 3D printer, what will you make out of it? For many students, it was the first time that they were getting introduced to this technology, but they were able to come up with many innovative ideas and use cases. We at EduBoard are looking for ways to reduce operating cost of such technologies for schools so that students in remote areas of the world can get a chance to get their hands on them. We are currently launching a centralized 3D printing lab in tier 2 cities like Saharanpur to create a shared resource structure for schools to adopt a technology without costing heavy on their pockets. To more about the 3D printing or our services, contact us on our social media websites. Thank you.